Nature comes to life in a new exhibit at the Santa Barbara Museum of Natural History. The museum has opened The Living Print, featuring artists who use printmaking to explore the beauty of nature. Each piece highlights the connection between art and environmental conservation. So far, visitors are having a good time seeing nature through a creative lens.
A really cool way to just engage with creation and kind of see the leaves come to life on the page. The kids are loving it. It's a lot of fun.
The Living Print exhibit is now open to the public at the Museum of Natural History.